Hello guys, welcome to G-INSTRUCT, and I am so happy to have you here. In this channel, you will find videos on how to make money online at the comfort of your home. Subscribe now, turn on notifications so you will receive updates and be notified whenever a new video is released on this channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you 10 plus newest and free ways to promote affiliate links. And guys, if you watch this video to the end, you'll learn how to acquire affiliate links, use the best tactics for promoting your links and driving website traffic, and become a successful affiliate marketer. Let's get started. What are affiliate links? Affiliate links are personal URLs used to track the traffic sent from your website to the advertiser's website. Each affiliate marketer has their own personal URLs, which contain specific means of identification such as a randomized series of numbers and letters or username or other means of identification. When a website visitor clicks your affiliate links, a record is sent to the affiliate program to track your metrics such as clicks, sales, and commissions. You will typically only earn a commission if the visitor makes a purchase, but you may get paid for leads as well. Guys, I hope that wasn't hard to understand. Now you know what affiliate links are and how affiliate links works. Let's move on. How do you get affiliate link? You can get affiliate links by joining affiliate networks or affiliate programs. Popular affiliate networks are Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, Warrior Plus, Impact, and Digistore 24 to mention a few. There are numerous affiliate programs available to publishers and website owners. Do your research and see which programs is best for your audience or content you write about. After you've been approved to be an affiliate in any of the platform you choose, log in to your affiliate dashboard to find your affiliate links. Now let me show you the top 10 plus free ways to promote your affiliate links and extra tips showing the best ways to use your affiliate links to make money online this year. So guys, the first way or method to promote affiliate links is writing affiliate website reviews. Just as you were researching affiliate programs to join, you should deeply understand the companies that you're promoting and the tools or products they offer. Use this opportunity and include your affiliate links to write honest reviews about the products you're promoting. Your first focus should be on keyword research and including headings that best match a searcher's intent when researching the product you're promoting. Reviewing affiliate websites is one of the best methods to promote your affiliate links, so make sure to know how they work inside and out. Second method in promoting your affiliate links is through product review. In this review, you give in-depth information and guidelines on a particular product that you know your audience or readers will want to know more about. On top of developing reviews of the products, you can also promote affiliate links by creating in-depth product tutorials. This is similar to affiliate website reviews, but in this case you're taking a deep dive into how to focus content. Guys, if you like this video, give it a like. It will help my channel grow faster and reach more people. The third way to promote affiliate links is by using affiliate banners. In addition to text links in your blog content, affiliate programs also provide links in the form of affiliate banners. You can place these clickable banners in several places on your website, such as the sidebar of your blog, the header and footer of your website, embedded in blog content, and in email marketing messages. The fourth method of promoting your affiliate links is through using automated welcome emails. As an affiliate marketer and blogger, building up a loyal following of readers is crucial to long-term success. Email marketing is an advantageous tactic for driving visitors to your website, distributing your content, and managing relationships with readers. Once readers subscribe to your blog, send them an automated welcome email series. In this email, utilize affiliate links by sharing relevant articles. However, don't be spammy with your links. First, build trust with your readers by telling your unique story, then eventually provide information that will help them most. Affiliate revenue is secondary to helping your readers. The fifth method you can use to promote your affiliate link is through your resource tools or pages. As part of your marketing strategy, create a resources page on your website highlighting the top tools and products you recommend. On this page, list and discuss the products you regularly use and recommend, and you can't fake this. You must authentically use the products on your resource page and love them so that you know your readers will benefit from their use. The sixth method you can use to promote your affiliate links is through digital products. What does this mean? This means that as you grow your website and audience, you can also begin to create and provide personal digital products such as ebooks and online courses to your audience. Naturally, these digital products provide perfect opportunities to embed your affiliate links inside. If you own a YouTube channel, then this next method of promoting your affiliate links will sound interesting to you. The next method you can use to promote your affiliate links is through YouTube videos. As an affiliate marketer, you have the ability to create video content around a variety of topics and include your affiliate links in the process. There are two main ways to embed affiliate links into your video content. First, the easiest way to use YouTube affiliate links is by including them in your video description. If you use this tactic, be sure to verbally and visually call out the description in your video. Most YouTubers use phrases such as "click on the links in the description below" to direct viewers to the right place. The second tactic is to use YouTube Annotations. These are the transparent boxes that pop up at pre-selected times and places within a YouTube video, often with a call to action. Each box is hyperlinked, offering the perfect placement for your affiliate links. For the best results, use both YouTube affiliate link tactics to your advantage. If you know this video is providing value to you, subscribe now and turn on notifications. So guys, we have gone through a lot today. There are still other methods left. Let's see them. Next method of promoting your affiliate links is through Facebook. You can easily post your affiliate links on Facebook via your personal profile or a business page. But make sure you're not spamming your followers' Facebook feeds with affiliate link posts. Your goal is to convince someone to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Do so by posting entertaining, educational, and intriguing content that includes affiliate links. Next method of promoting your affiliate links is through Instagram. Much like promoting affiliate links on Facebook, you can also generate affiliate traffic from your Instagram posts. However, Instagram has one major exception. Instagram posts are not clickable. Instead, you must drive fans to your bio to click on a link. A solution to this problem is to include links in Instagram stories. But you can only use this method when you gain more than 10,000 followers. You can add links to your Instagram stories content. The next method to promote your affiliate links is through Pinterest. Since Pinterest is a visual social media platform, you have several opportunities to drive traffic to your affiliate links, especially those which promote physical products. For the best results, create pins and boards around a particular product. Or, you can include a pin with your affiliate link in a board focused on a broader topic. So guys, the last, but not the least method of promoting your affiliate links is through Twitter. Don't skip or stop watching this video, because at the end, I am going to show you how to use your affiliate links successfully. Let's continue. Using affiliate links on Twitter involves a bit of wordplay. Since you only have 280 characters to convince someone to click on your affiliate link, you need to be creative. Experiment with different styles of copywriting and see which method drives the most affiliate link clicks. Let me show you how to use affiliate links successfully and start making sales. First, as an affiliate marketer, you are required to disclose your involvement in any affiliate programs. Most content creators will include a short paragraph explaining the relationship between the content and the affiliate program advertiser at the beginning of their content and on a dedicated page of their website. Secondly, use affiliate link cloaking. Affiliate links can be very long and ugly. Instead, use an affiliate link cloaking tool such as Bitly. Not only does an affiliate link cloaking tool make tracking and managing your links a breeze, but it also presents your links in a pretty, professional and branded manner. Next guys, to ensure you are successful with your affiliate links, promote multiple affiliate products. As an affiliate marketer, there's no limit to the number of products you can promote. If you run a travel blog, you can promote everything from airline affiliate programs to luggage companies, travel gear, hotels, and more. And if you decide to diversify your content, be sure to group content into categories. For instance, if you run a fashion blog, you can join affiliate programs for makeup, clothing, and accessories. Next, promote products that is related to your niche. Nobody will ask a farmer how to fly a plane. With this quote, I know you understand what I mean. Lastly, this is the most important method for you to be successful with your affiliate links. Always put your audience first. If you are still watching this video, I want you to know that your audience are more important, and the truth is that when you don't provide value to your audience, then you can't be successful with your affiliate links. Never create content for the sake of promoting a link if your audience won't respond to it. First, gain a deep understanding of your audience's needs, wants, and pain points. Then, publish content that provides the best possible solution. Your goal is to give your audience the best possible content that can also generate sales through affiliate links. But if your audience doesn't know, like, and trust you, there is no chance of generating a sale. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Go and implement what you have learned today and start getting click and making sales to your affiliate links. Wishing you all the best. Give me a like on this video because it will help my channel grow. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget, subscribing to my channel is free. If you have any question or contribution, I will be happy to see them in the comments section below. And don't forget guys, G-INSTRUCT loves you all. Goodbye.